Hey friends, if you wish to fix the 503 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So the first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out and then click on restart. The next solution is to check the website server status, and there are a lot of websites like isitdown.com and so on. You can simply check the status of the website you're trying to access here. Like for example, if it is Netflix, I'll type netflix.com and I will check its status. Is it down right now? And it will mention that it's not down, mostly because it's a good website, and it says it is up and reachable by us. So this is how you can check the server status of any website. And then you can power cycle the modem, router and computer. Now how do we do this? Switch off the modem, router and computer, all three devices. Then switch on the modem only and wait for 20 seconds or enough time till all the lights are up and running, and a few seconds after that. Then switch on the router, wait till all the lights are stable and a few seconds after that, and then turn on the computer. Now in some cases people have a combined modem and router. In that case you don't need to worry. Switch off the router and computer, then switch on the router first. Wait for a few seconds till all the lights are up and stable, and then switch on the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.